Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the chapter algebraic expression. In our last lecture we have learned about exercise 6.1. Today we are going to start with exercise 6.2. Now the first question, add the follow. Over here 2x plus 3y and ax plus by. Now how to do it? 2x plus 3y plus ax plus by. Now over here addition means told. Over here x variable are constant over here and over here y. Now how to do this? 2 plus a into x plus 3 plus b the whole y. Why? Because if the numbers might be there, then we can add it. But in the second concept it is over here variable is joined with the x, so we can't add it. So over here 2a plus x, 3 plus b, y. Now moving on to the second question, 3a minus 9b, 6a minus 10b. Over here 3a minus 9b plus 6a minus 10b. Now how to do this over here? Over here again a, b are common over here. So 6 plus 3 give me as over here as 9a, and over here minus plus minus, we are learning our exercise 6.1 will give me as addition, but the sign will be of subtraction. So over here 9 plus 10 will give me as 19b. Now over here moving on to the question number C, 6a plus 10b minus 8a minus 7b. So over here what I will do, 6a plus 10b, okay, minus 8a minus 7b. Now again over here the same concept. So 6 minus 8 will give me as minus 2a, because 8 is a greater number and the sign is of minus. Now over here 10 minus 7 will give me as 3, but 10 number is the greater number which is having plus sign, so plus 3b. Okay. Now moving on to question number D. Over here 2a plus 3b, 5a plus 2b, 3a minus b. So over here I will write as 2a plus 3b, 5 plus 2b, 3a minus b. Now over here no signs means plus signs are there, so I can add this as it comes to as 10a. Now 3 plus 2 give me as 5, and over here number is not even 1 is there, so 5 minus 1 will give me as 4b. Now moving on to question number E, 4x plus 5y plus 7 plus 3x minus 3y plus 2. Now over here again with the same concept, 4 plus 3 will give me as 7x. Now 5 minus 3 will give me as 2y, and the sign of the greater number, that is 5, which is having plus sign, so plus, and 7 plus 2 will give me as 9. Understood over here the concept of addition of the algebraic expression. Now moving on to the subtraction of the algebraic expression. Now over here minus 3m square minus 6m plus 3 from 5m square minus 9. Now over here from this we have concept we have learned in our exercise 6.1. So over here from is being told, so 5m square minus 9 minus of, because it is being told subtract, minus of minus 3m square minus 6m plus 3. Each variable should become under each variable, okay. Over here m square, over here also m square. Now over here variable is not there, so what I will do, 0 m, below the constants are coming, okay. Now with the subtraction something is there. Now the sign of subtraction is over here, so the below signs will get changed. Instead of plus I will do a subtraction over here, instead of subtraction over here plus, instead of subtraction over here is plus. The sign will get changed in the concept of subtraction. Now forget these signs Now moving on to the new signs. Now minus 9, minus 3. Signs are same. So it will give us minus 12. We will do the addition. Okay. Now over here 0m plus 6m will give me as 6m sign of plus. Now over here 5 is not having any other sign, means plus sign. So 5 plus 3 will give me as 8m square. Okay. Now see over here, instead of this minus, important concept is of this. Because of this minus sign, the signs are getting change of only second number, not of the previous number. Now moving on to question number B. 5a square minus 7b plus 5b square from 3a minus 2a square minus 2b square. Now over here first time we will write over here as 3ab, okay, minus 2a square minus 2b square from sign of subtraction. Now over here AB, 3ab is there, so AB concept is over here, so minus 7ab. Okay. Now a square, so 5a square. Why I put on this plus sign? Because no sign was there, means plus sign is there. And now moving on to the over here 5b square. Now over here the sign will be getting changed because of this minus sign. So over here addition, subtraction and subtraction instead of these signs. Okay. Now moving on to the concept over here, minus 2b minus 5b square. So over here minus 7b square minus 7a square, and over here as plus 10ab. Okay. Now plus sign was there, 7 plus 3, 10, both the minus signs, so over here minus, and we will do the addition. Again over here same, minus and addition of this sum. Now moving on to question number C. 4x cube minus 7x square plus 5x minus 4 from 6 minus 5x plus 6x square minus 8x cube. Now what I will do? I will do over here as first as minus 8x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. No need to worry, you can write like this way also, but if I write it like this way, you have to change this concept according to this way. Okay. So I have changed this concept. If you want to keep this concept at like this way, no problem. Now over here is 8x cube, so over here is 4x cube minus 7x square plus 5x minus 4. Now moving on to the sign over here is minus, so no sign over there means plus sign was there, so it will get converted into as minus, over here as plus, minus, and over here as plus instead of these signs. Okay. Now minus 8 minus 4 will give me as minus 12x cube. Okay. 6x plus 7x square will give me as 13x square. Now over here minus 5x will give me as minus 10x. Okay. And over here as 6 plus 4 will give me as plus 10. Okay. Understood over here concept? Forget about the sign which is being jumbled or circled. See about the new signs. Okay. Now moving on to the question number D. X raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 minus x square y square from 2x raised to 4 minus 3x square y square plus 4y square. Now okay, over here 2x raised to 4 minus 3x square y square plus 4y square. Okay. minus of sign, then over here again x raised to 4 minus, over here it is being minus y raised to 4. So you can see over here minus y raised to 4 over here, no. So I will write over here as y raised to 4 minus x square y square. Okay, done with the question. Now over here something number is missing over here, so number is not there means what? 0 variable 0 y square. Over here also 0 y raised to 4, y raised to 4. Now over here sign was a plus, so it will get converted into minus, it will get into converted into plus, plus will get converted into minus, and instead of minus it will get converted into plus. So over here now 2x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 means 1 over here. So 2 minus 1 will give me as 1 x raised to 4, and the sign will be of the greater number, that is of 2. Now over here minus 3x square y square plus x square y square means over here 1, so it will give me as minus 2 x square y square. Okay, now 4y square minus 0, 0 is not having any of the sign, no issue, so plus 4y square. Now over here again 1 y raised to 4. Now moving on to the last question, 6 plus 3x plus 6x square minus 8x cube from 0 it is, from 0. So what I will do, 0 over here because 0 is the constant term, minus sign, so over here the constant will be below the constant itself. So if I am writing over here minus 8x raised to 3 plus 6x raised to 2 plus 3x plus 6, okay, over here nothing was there means 0 x raised to cube plus 0 x square plus 0x plus 0. Now we are changing our sign, so this will become as plus, instead of plus minus, and over here also as the sign will be getting changed. Now 0 plus 8x will give me as 8x cube, again over here as minus 6x square minus 3x, and over here as minus 6, means we were having minus 8x cube, it got changed into plus, plus 6x square got converted into as minus, plus 3x got converted into minus 3x, and plus 6 got converted into minus 6. Understand students over here? So we have done with our question number exercise 6.2, question number 1 and 2. In the next lecture we will do question number 3 and more question from exercise 6.2. Okay, thank you.